I think I'm going for you. Girl, what type of omen do you use? That devil up in that red dress, got undressed and redressed, she be teased. I took my 3 L's to the head, not expecting this death I'm receiving. So when you gon' poke that thing out for a real player, know I'm talking about. She said that her brain vibrates way higher than the games that I'm playing now. Oh my God, you're so intelligent, evidently you are heaven sent. I wanna waste all my time with you. Don't focus on her getting money. Yeah, that's what Weezy taught me. And that man never lied. You worry about who that chick loving, why don't you get money? That's what Khalifa taught me. And that man know he right. Showed you right, yeah. 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 Showed you right.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Okay. Living la vida loca. Yo, I'm already on one. Y'all know I like the hair if I come on the scene. Cutting up already, okay? All right. So today's video is brought to you by Vivi, Baby. Vivi. Vivi, Baby. Yeah. They are a company based off of Amazon. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig. Today's wig is the 13x6 transparent lace front loose deep wave. Okay, y'all, so are y'all ready for the tea on this wig, honey? Y'all, I must say that I laid and slayed this unit today, baby. Yes. Okay, I mean, do y'all catch these waves? You know what I'm saying? Surfboard, surfboard, grinding on that wood, grinding on that wood. Yes, y'all. These waves is popping, okay? We keep it on and popping. All right, y'all. Let's get to the review. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all the pros and cons of this wig. The only con that I have to say about this wig is that the lace did not match your girl. But that is typical. I'm used to it now. As a wig reviewer, a lot of lace is too light for me. But, you know, we make it do what it do, baby. Okay? Did y'all catch that? Do y'all need a replay? Yes. So that's the only con that I have to say about this wig. This hair is bomb. This hair is nice and soft, okay? I didn't put any product on this hair except for some mousse after I shampooed it. I did receive some shedding after I cut the lace off. I haven't received any tangles so far. I was like, please don't make me seem like a liar as I ran my hands through this. But yes, y'all, no tangles. We can do a nape test. Ooh, I left the lace on the back. But we can do a nape test and I'm not catching any snags. But this hair is beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. And no, I did not lay down the side. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the parting space. They did say it is 13x6 parting space. They ain't lying, because you know some wig companies like to lie about parting spaces. After I applied my Sally Hansen Deep Glow Spray and press powder, the lace was very easy to match my skin. As you can see, here is the lighter lace and this is wet. Your girl did. Don't mean to toot my own horn, but beep beep. Yes, but I'm loving this wig, y'all. Like I said, I only had one con, and that was the lace was too light. The wig is big hair friendly. It's too big for my head, but that's not really a con. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all. Not a whole lot for me to say. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Are you feeling me in all these ways, honey? You know what I'm saying? Once again, a big thank you to Vivi Baby for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check them out. All of their information will be listed down in the description box below. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I'm thinking when the time comes, we may wind up together or whatever, like, but I should be chasing cheddar, right?